Hey dear friends on YouTube. Today Nicole and I, we are taking the Can Am Spyder RT and my Harley, and we're going for a little ride up to Astoria airport where they have an open house and fly in event. Join us for this exciting trip. There will be a lot of fun stuff to see. There will be car show, motorcycles, there will be a lot of planes flying in that you can look at as well. And then, of course, the big star of the show is the helicopters from the Coast Guard, the big rescue helicopter. And there's another helicopter from a company that flies the pilots out to the big ships 20 miles off the coast. And that's the ships coming into Columbia River. So join us for this. This will be fun. Well, we're here, Nicole.
We're here.
And that's quite an event.
We made it.
We made it. Let's show around. There's all kinds of stuff here. Food carts. And up here we have all the planes lined up. Look at that. And there are more vendors of all kinds. Motorcycles, there's some Harleys there. Bikers against child abuse. And I saw further over there the Coast Guard helicopter was there too.
I hope we can tour it.
Yeah, I hope too.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where...
When we came, there was one row of old cars starting up there. But look at this, now there are 3 rows of cars and they keep coming in. You can see up there in the distance. They keep rolling in. And look at this. We have a car parade here. All kinds of cars. Look at that vet here coming. Isn't that a beauty? Wow. Oh, look at this now. That's some supercharged drag racing. There's one more there. Look at these rear tires. And look here. A real old Stingray. Isn't that a beauty, Nicole?
Yeah. My mom had a Stingray when I was a baby, and apparently, I don't remember. I guess that was before car seats and all that. She would put me right there.
Oh man. Coming. But then we found this one. Try to see. An old Ford TTC cab truck. But look at the size of that tiny engine. 4-cylinder row engine. Look at that thing. Oh, cool. That's the one we see flying over our house all the time.
Look at the blades on that thing.
It's a big unit. And it looks like we might be lucky that we can get inside and see. That's a big unit. Look at that. Jet intake, it says up there. US Coast Guard. Man, these blades are big when you get closer. And we can see over in the background, right there, is another one waiting, just in case I have to go. But look at this exhaust up there, the size of that thing. Looks like we can get in and see. Oh, and look up here, we have a hoist right there. That's a lot of mechanics up there in the road.
Hotter air is
all the pitch regulation.
it's more power. So anytime it's hot, it's kind of standing that way.
I'm sorry. You're fine. Riley. Okay, we got
Yeah, but I said the door.
Don't touch anything, Riley. No. Do you guys want to go in the front now? No, this way. You got to go out.
Look at that thing. That's a lot of buttons here.
For the rest of our days. Yeah.
perfect. Yeah, I know. We sold our coach.
That's a cool machine. Look at that. Is that a machine gun or what is that? Oh, it can't be.
Yeah. Are you gonna fly it?
Perhaps it's for measuring speed, I could imagine. That is a big machine now when you get close. How fun that is. And there's an old biplane here with a rotary engine. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cylinders. Wow. That is a cool plane. Oh, this lady, she's taking off. And we just got ourselves some lunch here.
Yeah,
From
not
that
planned
food cart,
lunch, but
look at this.
oh my.
Doesn't that look good? What is it? Mac and cheese with shrimp?
Stacked mac and cheese with shrimp.
Wow. Delicious.
Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless.